Hello folks, welcome to Teach Palachi. Here we are on a new learning path to learn JavaScript, and here is the introductory video in which I am going to answer 4 frequently asked questions related to JavaScript. Here we go. Firstly, what is JavaScript? What can you do with it? Where does JavaScript code runs? And finally, JavaScript versus ECMAScript. JavaScript is one of the most popular and widely used programming language in the world. It has been growing faster than any other language. Hence you can see that nearly 70% of professional developers who responded to the 2020 Stack Overflow survey, they all coded in JavaScript. Hence, Netflix, Walmart, and PayPal, they also use JavaScript in their applications. For a long time, it was used in browsers to build interactive web pages, and it sounds so funny that it was also called as a toy language. And as the time proceeded, due to greater community support and investments from tech giants like Facebook and Google, it soon and later grew as a front-end and back-end language, and hence you can pursue your careers as a front-end and back-end developers and combined as a full-stack web developer. What can you do with it? Here's it. You can develop a full-blown web and mobile apps. You can also develop real-time networking apps like chats and video streaming services. It also provides command line tools and also the most fascinating part, games. Here are some of the examples of games being developed on JavaScript. Doesn't it sound fascinating? Pretty sure. Where is JavaScript code runs? Originally, it was being run on browsers. Every browser has a JavaScript engine that can execute JavaScript code. Firefox uses SpiderMonkey. Chrome uses V8 Chrome engine. Hence, a clever engineer in 2009, Ryan Dahl, took open source JavaScript engine in Chrome and embedded inside a C++ program called Node. Node is a C++ program which uses Google's V8 JavaScript engine. Hence, JavaScript code can be run outside the browser and passed to the Node for execution. It made developers capable to use JavaScript for the backend of web and mobile apps. In a nutshell, JavaScript code can be run on browser and Node. Together, they provide runtime environment for JavaScript code. Here we are going to learn JavaScript versus ECMAScript. Finally, JavaScript is a programming language which uses the specifications being declared in ECMAScript. Here is the timeline of ECMAScript. ECMAScript was firstly introduced in 1997, then there were further breaks, and from 2015 there are annual releases of ECMAScript. ECMAScript, which was being released in 2015, was ECMAScript 6. Let's see JavaScript in action. Here we go. So here we are going to see that how we can run JavaScript code in a console being provided by web browsers. As we have learned that every web browser has a JavaScript engine, and Chrome usually uses Chrome V8 engine. So right click and using inspect, then moving towards console. It can be used to run our JavaScript code. So starting with you can use single quotes or double quotes. We are writing hello world. It is being usually used by all the programmers when they learn new language. So by pressing enter, it shows hello world. Moreover, it provides you with the facility of using it for numerical calculations. 2 plus 2 is 4. And one of the exciting part is alerts. Here it is. Welcome to Teach Collage. We are going to learn all these commands which are being executed here in further videos. Hopefully you liked our introductory video and would continue to support our channel and pursue your learning path in JavaScript. If you like the video, press the like button and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.